Hello friends, today I am bringing about a debatable topic about vaccinations for children for COVID-19. Dear friends, dear students, you know very well that the government of India for the first time launched the vaccination or immunizations process for the age group 45 and above, and and now it is also launched in May 1st. Those who 18 years above and 44 years below will be vaccinated. But here question arises, what for the children? Um, where do we stand on vaccination for children? Let's some information about uh, the status of vaccination for the children. As adults around the world get vaccinated against COVID-19, we should think of our vaccination for children. Let's some information. Global COVID-19 vaccination drive. As of 4 May 2021, a total of 1.17 billion vaccine doses have been administered as per World Health Organization data. Since most kids or children are at low risk for complications, the need for a pediatric vaccine may not seem pressing, but scientists say the pandemic may never be fully controlled until kids are inoculated. Why is it difficult to vaccinate children? Children cannot be lumped together in a wide group. Immune system in children could vary greatly depending on the age. A 16-year-old will have a very different immunity than a 6-year-old. Their growth and development also needs to be taken into consideration while evaluating vaccines. So, do the children need a different vaccine? The molecular structure of the vaccines remain the same, but the does not would be reduced depending on the age. The medical trials for vaccines involving children usually undergo stricter protocols than those involving adults. This was the main reason behind the uh, non-starting of vaccination to the children, because the medical trial was not yet done. Where are a step closer already? In March, Pfizer's BioNTech and BioNTech announced results of pivotal COVID-19 studies showing the vaccines demonstrated 100% efficacy and robust antibody responses and was well tolerated in participants aged of 12 to 15 years. Pfizer has applied for UAA for its COVID-19 vaccines for teens, and reportedly FDA is expected to authorize it in early May. So far, these vaccines for teens has been approved in Canada for use. So this is the status. Canada already approved for vaccination of the children's for the Pfizer's medicines, but in USA it is not approved and all over world not approved. So ongoing trials. There are so many trials are ongoing in medical trials are ongoing for the children. Moderna is conducting two separate trials for children aged 12 to 17 years and for children aged 6 months to less than 12 years. Johnson and Johnson is conducting trials for children aged 12 to 17 years in Spain and UK. The trials of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccines on children started in February 2021 has been halted as the authorities wait for more data on rare blood clotting issues in adults. These are the status of different pharmaceutical company, the big company who vaccine manufacturers who already started the medical trial for vaccinations of the childrens. And so on. And Novavax is conducting clinical trials of its proposed COVID-19 vaccines on children in a program that will involve up to 3,000 adolescents aged 12 to 17 years. Pfizer expects to apply for UA to FDA for its COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 2 to 11 years in September. The vaccine safety and efficacy study in children aged 6 months to 11 years is going on. What about India? When we are discussing about vaccinations of children, other foreign countries who already started clinical trials, medical trials. But what about India? How far India is going ahead for vaccinations of the children? Let's discuss. There are some clinical trials now underway to test the effectiveness and safety of the COVID-19 vaccines in children. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said. According to the reports, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is expected to get final nod for pediatric trial soon. This comes after CDSCO rejected the company's application in early 2021 and asked it to submit efficacy data first. So this is the status of vaccination for the children for the COVID-19. So already so many countries already started their medical and clinical trials for the vaccinations. Thank you for watching.